What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Out here in the garage. It's finally starting to get cold out, so got the TV out here with the sound bar, doing a little bit of work today. Just watching some of my good friend Sad Zebrahead Gaming. He's streaming all the old N64 games right now. He's on Mario 64. Go check his channel out. It's at Sad Zebrahead Gaming, and check out his live streams. He does them like every single night. For now, we are going to be working on the Miata. We're actually doing something kind of interesting today because we are redoing the very first mod that I ever did to this car back when I got it in 2014. I was searching for things to do. I didn't really know where to look. I found the Delrin Door Bushings, and I didn't get Delrin ones. They're like a really thick rubber. Better than OEM, but not as good as Delrin. So today we are going back to basics and installing the Delrin Door Bushings for your NC Miata. So on the inside of each of your doors, you have this little bushing thing here, insert. Basically, it guides your doors, cups, these little things right here, and it basically solidifies your door and it doesn't creak around and things like that. And these worked really great, but mine are old. They're just kind of worn out and we're in need of some new ones. So like I said, these are like a little rubbery kind of thing. And with the new ones that we got, they are pretty much the same size. These were marketed as NA, NB, NC, and they just kind of fit right in there. If you like the video and you like the product, these are linked down in the description below. It is an Amazon affiliate link. So if you do purchase them, it helps out the channel a little bit. So if you are purchasing them, thank you so much. I really appreciate the help. There's not really any trick to installing these outside of one little part that I'm gonna show you guys. Really, you just need a ratchet set for this, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna get my tools, gonna set the camera down, and we're just gonna get right into installing this. All right, so the new door bushing is 90% installed. It's all in. So on this old one, the little mounting points at the bottom, you can see they're just like all squished in. So really we weren't gaining anything with this anymore with it bolted down because still really loose in there. This probably should work a lot better. I think this one definitely will work a lot better, especially over OEM, which are like totally rubber. Because what we're gonna do next is we need to position this. If you have it, you know, cockeyed or too high or too low, it's gonna make your door really hard to shut. So you leave it a little bit loose, so when the cup makes contact with it, it'll push it into the right place. Then we'll open the door and tighten it down. So we'll just close the door. That should be good. It should be in the right spot that we need it to be. And now we can just go ahead and tighten it down the rest of the way. All right, we're all tightened down. It's not going anywhere, and you want to make sure this is pretty tight because it is basically holding your door. Now, I'm gonna close it. It's harder to shut, but it's a nice thud. Exactly what we want. It's hard to show you. I mean, there's no way to really show you that this is working. If you're stock body, no bracing or anything like that. When I first did this, I could definitely tell there was a noticeable decrease in like creakiness from the doors, especially getting out of driveways and pulling into like parking lots. So definitely better. It's not gonna make your car that much more rigid, but it is gonna make driving and your interior is gonna be just like a little bit nicer to sit in, especially when you're going up and down weird angles in the road. And when you do open your door, it makes a really nice like little pop open. I'll let you guys hear it. Oh, so nice. It does make it harder to shut, but you know, girls sit in the passenger seat and they slam the door anyway, so they'll just work just fine. So really, for just a couple bucks, I think these two were like $20, I think. So really cheap. They'll last a long time. They're not gonna wear out as quickly as rubber. So for just a couple bucks, you can decrease some creaky noises, increase the rigidity of your doors, not your whole car. It's not gonna be like a roll bar or anything like that, but overall, all the little things add up in the end, and if you're itching to just buy something cheap that you want to work on the car for a weekend, great option. Like I said, link is in the description for these. If you do buy it, thank you for helping the channel. So I know it was kind of a short one, but that's what I've been working on, just picking up some things here and there, working on the cars when I can. I appreciate all of you guys who have stuck around this long in the videos and in the channels. We're working our way towards 10,000 subscribers, so if you are new and you've made it this far in the video, obviously means you must have liked the content. So go down below and hit that subscribe button, and let's get this channel up to 10,000 subscribers. Anyways, I'm gonna close it out here. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate all of you who have watched the videos week in and week out and supported me through all these years. And like I said at the beginning, if you are new to the channel, be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next video.